Hi everybody, my name is Nelson and welcome to Biology in a Box. Today we'll be doing Unit 1, Lesson 1, True or False Fossils. First, you'll need two plastic boxes looking like these, each containing of little plastic bubble wrap baggies holding either a real or fake fossil. Some of you might be wondering, what are fossils? Well, fossils are the remains of organisms that have been dead a long time, typically around 10,000 years. These organisms have failed to decay because they have been preserved in some form of bacteria-free environment, like ice, in pine sap, in bogs, or under layers of sediment. First, you'll need to examine each object and determine whether it is a fossil or not. If not, it may be a dead organism that has not been dead long enough or considered fossil, again, around 10,000 years. Or it may be something abiotic, lacking the characteristic of life. Read the number on the backside of your fossil and record the decision to whether it is a fossil or not and add it into the row with the corresponding number. Put a Y if it is a fossil or an N if it's not. For each object you feel is a fossil, indicate which fossil it is according to the method of preservation. Finally, make a guess to which object it is, like coral, a piece of coal, or a rock, etc. Finally, let's wrap it up with a quick review of what you should have gained from this lesson. You should have gained an understanding of what consists of a fossil, as well as the various mechanisms from fossil preservation.